Hello friends, welcome to my channel Botanical Studies. In this video, we will discuss about the structure of viruses. Part 2. Structure of viruses. Structure of the virus is very simple. It consists of a central core of nucleic acid surrounded by a protein coat called capsid. In some viruses, there is an envelope around the capsid, which acts as an additional outermost layer. From this envelope, proteinaceous projection ejected out, known as spikes. In some viruses, from the vertices of capsid, fibrils are projected out. Let us discuss about the capsid. A capsid is a protein shell of a virus enclosing its genetic material. The capsid has three functions. It protects the nucleic acid from digestion by nucleases and other enzymes. It contains special sites on its surface that allows the virion to attach to the host cell. It provides protein that enables the virion to penetrate the host cell membrane. Each capsid of virus is made up of several repeating subunits known as capsomeres. Each capsomere is made up of protein subunit called protomeres. A group of 5 to 6 protomeres combines to form capsomere. The capsomere are arranged symmetrically around nucleic acid core. They have different symmetry of capsids via icosahedral or polyhedral or spherical symmetry. Second, helical or cylindrical or rod-like symmetry. And third, binal or complex symmetry. Let us discuss about icosahedral symmetry. Icosahedral symmetry, it is also called as polyhedral or spherical symmetry. It is made up of 20 equilateral triangular facets and 12 intersecting points or corners. They are spherical when viewed at low power in electron microscope. Helical symmetry. It is also known as cylindrical or rod-like symmetry. The monomers and the nucleic acid are arranged in helical manner around a central spiral tube. In helical symmetry, type of capsid observed in brick shape, bullet shape, rod shape, etc. The number of capsomers in helical symmetry varies according to virus group. Binal symmetry. Binal symmetry is also called as complex symmetry. Here the capsid is neither helical nor icosahedral, but it appears in different ways. In first type, there is a multi-layered wall around the nucleic acid in which protomeres are arranged in irregular fashion with identical structure. For example, pox virus. While in second type, complex viruses show a head and tail and appears binal symmetry. For example, in T4 bacteriophage showing icosahedral capsid and helical tail. Viral envelope. Several plants and animal viruses have extra covering around the capsid known as envelope. It is about 10 to 15 nanometer in thickness and made up of lipoprotein and glycoprotein. All viruses do not possess envelope. The envelopes of viruses are susceptible to any liquid solvents like ether, chloroform. Envelopes are membranous and flexible. They can change their shape. Such viruses are called pleomorphic. Thus, envelope offers chemical, biological, and antigenic properties of viruses. Envelope protects the genetic material of the virus in their life cycle when traveling between host cells. Spikes. From the envelope, elongated proteinaceous projections ejected out are called spikes or peplomers. It is composed of glycoproteins. These projections bind only to certain receptors on the host cell. They are essential for both host susceptibility and viral infectivity. For example, influenza virus has two types of peplomers. First, neuraminidase peplomers and second, hemagglutination peplomers. Fibrils. In certain viruses like adenoviruses, possesses short fibrils which project from the vertices of capsid and have some antigenic properties. Let us discuss now the types of viruses. Viruses particles basically made up of a core of centrally placed nucleic acid and a protein coat. Nucleic acid may be DNA or RNA. As per ICTV, that is International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses, in 1911 given the classification of viruses as follows. It consists of 75 families, 11 subfamilies, 273 genera with 6,500 species. Viruses are classified into four different groups. First, DNA viruses. These DNA viruses is again classified into two groups, double-stranded DNA virus and single-stranded DNA viruses. Then second, DNA RNA viruses. This group is again classified into two, double-stranded DNA RT viruses, double-stranded RNA RT viruses. Here RT means reverse transcriptase. Third group, RNA viruses. It is again classified into three different groups, single-stranded RNA viruses, negative single-stranded RNA viruses, positive single-stranded RNA viruses. And the last fourth group is unassigned viruses. It includes subviral agents like viroids, satellites, and prions. Let us study the examples of DNA and RNA viruses. The DNA viruses are Enterobacteriophage, Spiroplasmaphage, Chlamydiaphage, Lactococcus phage, Alteriomonas phage, and RNA viruses are pox virus, human adenovirus, herpes virus, rotavirus, mumps virus, rabies virus, influenza virus, TMV, etc. Subviral agents. There are three subviral agents: viroids, satellites, and prions. Viroids are naked single-stranded RNA not associated with a capsid or helper virus. Satellites are subcellular entities with nucleic acid replicates in presence of helper virus. Prions are proteinaceous infectious viral particles without nucleic acids. It is discovered by Stanley B. Prusiner in 1983. Viral enzymes. DNA polymerases. It helps in synthesis of DNA. RNA polymerases. It helps in the synthesis of RNA. RNA dependent DNA polymerases. It helps in synthesis of DNA from RNA. This is all about structure of viruses.